Hey, it's Marilyn. Look at this. A newly opened co-op grocery close to our place. Let's check out what's in here, and I am really so excited. And the first thing that I'm planning to buy is this one. Tangy Tropical Sweet Golden Berries. I'm with my husband Gilbert right there, and these are his favorite cotton candy grapes. Okay, look at those. There are lots to choose from. Sa grapes pa lang, bawing-bawi ka na dahil maraming iba-ibang klaseng grapes. Ay nako, grabe na to. Wow! Ay nako, grapes pa lang kasi na ako naleleto-leto na. Let's keep going. Actually, kaya ako pumunta dito because I heard meron daw magandang presyo ng whole chicken. Ay tata, hindi ako masyadong kumakain ng apples, so papa-apples ako dito. So interesting. Oh, yan, no? Marami ng ganito because you know what is happening soon. It's so cute actually. This one are really, you know, every year this kind of pumpkin squash, they fascinate me. Keep going, Daddy. We'll see each other at the end. Ay. Ito, oh, masarap itong yuca. Siyempre, di ba? Pagka bagong bukas siguro, di fresh yan. Fresh. Mayroon pang squash, Bengali. Squash, Bengali. Ay, napakaganda ng mushroom. Portobello mushroom. At meron jackfruit. Ay, ito. Diba? Maganda ito na ano, igata. I will try this. I would like to try na igata ito. Sakto meron akong gata. Masarap pa yung iga ng ano to, mushroom. Parang nakakaano to. I really want to have one of these too. Parang masarap ng mushroom. Okay yun. No? Yun no? Ay. Ako naguguluhan na ako. Pumunta lang, bibili ng chicken, and later you will end up buying so much more. You know how it is, mga mamshis. You know how it is, and you know how we do stuff. That's why sometimes I really, you know, refrain from going to grocery stores and just give a grocery list to either to my eldest Patrick or to my husband. Kasi ako, when I go to grocery stores and I find something that somebody likes, I would normally grab it. Ay, kakatuwa, no? Sarap kayang pumunta kapag fresh na fresh ang everything. And it should be. Kasi kabubukas lang nito, di ba? Eh di dapat everything's fresh. Siyempre, wala pang bulok-bulok dito na vegetables or fruits, di ba? May mga pabalong-balong ka sila kasi nga it's still, you know, newly opened. I don't know when was it because I just came back from somewhere. I was gone for 2 weeks. Just got back last Friday night. That's why I missed the opening of this, and we are now here sa cake section. Ay. Yun no, sarap no. Sarap tingnan. Naku, meron na tayong ibang pagkukuhanan ng cakes dito aside from our friends who are really good bakers. Paging yung mga friends natin na magaling mag-bake. Wala pa namang nakakatalo sa baking ng mga friends natin. Paging and sis Liz, Auntie Liz, at saka si Auntie Pat. Syempre, they're the best bakers that I know of. Ay naku to, oh. So fresh. So sometimes kapag pupunta ka sa mga groceries, di ba, parang may naamoy kang ano, yung hindi mo na masyadong gusto, parang may hindi fresh sa loob. Pero because this one is really, as I mentioned, paulit-ulit, newly opened. Yay! Thank you! See, so friendly ang mga ano dito, oh. Hindi mo? Mayroon na akong friend dyan. Ay, wow! What is this? What is this? Rib. Nakasulat. Hindi ako marunong magbasa ata. on. Oh, dry aged beef pala yan. Kaya pala hindi ko makilala. Dry aged beef. Wow. Ano mo kinakain yan? Para ba niluluto yan? I don't know. Marami akong nakikitang ganyan sa Europe, like sa Spain. Dami kayang ganyan sa Spain. Yung mga ini-age nila, even sa restaurants, nakabitin-bitin lang yung mga ini-age nilang mga meat. Pero I don't know how they eat it or cook it. I think yung iba, they just age it and you hang it, you know, air dry. And they maybe, nag-slice sila and then they eat it. That's idea. Or maybe they can put it on top of pasta, diba? Ang sarap ko yun ng pasta na may mga dried meat. I'm just checking on this. It's maple leaf. Ayan, diba? Ay, kakatuwa. Nakakatuwa naman dito. O, diba? Meron tayong another option ng mga, tsaka mas malapit ito sa amin actually, a few minutes from Walmart and Superstore. Ay, meron silang ganito. I think, okay, based on I've seen sa Walmart yesterday, sa ibang brands, 18 something, sa store brands ng Walmart kahapon, I think it's around this price too. Yes. Okay, and it's also a kilogram, if I'm not mistaken, if I remember it right. Let's check it out. Malapit na naman ata ang, yes, right? Malapit na naman ang ating Thanksgiving. Kaya nag-start ng mag-stock up ng turkey. And what else? Okay, may frozen silang pork feet ang nakasulat, as in pork feet ang sinabi. Ayos. Kasi yung iba hack, no? Pork hacks. Ito naman na to. It's Australian lamb. Okay, let's take a look. Itong isa na to, for example, yan, $60. Yan, no? Lamb. If you know how to cook it. Hindi ako marunong mag-cook ng lamb. Ito ako ng store brand na chicken nuggets, $7.49. Not bad price. Okay, let's look around and let's see what is on the other side of the store. Yan. Mga cooked foods. Meron silang 9 pieces na, yan o. Home style chicken. 9 pieces cold. Cold? Cold? Cold. Sabi cold eh. So, maybe inihitak mo pa. Pero it's already cooked. What else do we have in here? Hello! How are you? Good. Good, thank you. Yan, meron silang ganyan. Ay, what else? This was okay. Ano pa? Yan, syempre may konting flowers doon. I love flowers. Yung mga yan. Sandwiches. So, you can just grab before you go to work, I guess. Meron silang cook dito na hot soups. Chili soup, loaded potato, broccoli cheddar. Yan. Ay, meron pa dito pala, oh. It is Co-op Deli. Yan. Oh, yeah. Parang ito masarap. It looks good, this one. Yan. Ang ganda ng itsura. In person, na parang fresh siya. Ito kaya. Oven roasted chicken. Interesting. Roasted chicken. What else? Yan, tagang getting ready for Halloween. Yan, madami silang mga chips at saka chocolates. Yan yung sa milk. Regular na. Yan. So, of course, majority naman ng ating mga groceries, they're all the same, a bit the same. Not really a bit the same, I think almost the same. Kasi di ba para yung mga tao hindi sa nahihilo kapag kasi magulo, nahihilo, alis at hindi na babalik, no? It's always good. They're actually doing mga marketing strategies, no? They're doing marketing strategies on how to stock, on how to display. Maraming ano yan, psychological based na marketing, no? Magaling sila sa ganyan. Yan ang kanilang pinag-aaralan, no? Para sila ay magiging mabenta. Kasi makikita mo ay ayan, ang paborito ng ating mga fairy bebes. Yan, no? Dear dog treats, preservative free. Ay nako, yung mga akin, because they're so small, I haven't given them those big of a treat because I am scared. Ay, ice cream, syempre. Though I'm not really an ice cream lover, I hardly eat ice cream, but I can eat it. It's just that I am not really an ice cream eater. Ano lang ang aking ginagawa, ano yan, trip lang. Like for example, if I am in Europe, I am just so funny that I would like to taste yung pistachio ice cream. Kanya-kanyang trip lang talaga. Basta nandun ako, I can't help myself but to have a taste of pistachio ice cream. Trip talaga, no? Trip, kanya-kanyang trip. Walang basta ganang trip, di ba? Ano kaya ito? Makagrab nga ng something for my very bebes. It's so interesting. I can see this and I know the price at the other store. It starts with W. Walmart. Actually, okay, I will not comment because I'm not into, into that kind of stuff. That's not my job. Or maybe later, mga mamshis, when eventually I would think of doing some price comparisons for you dahil mga busy kayo. Siguro in the future, let's grab some chicken, go over there. I will find time for you, mga mamshis, na ako ay mag-compare ng natawa tuloy ako because I just thought of you being better than me when it comes to price check. I am so lame. Oh, and this one, I also know the price of this one in some other stores. I will not make a comment. And this one, I actually bought one yesterday and I will not make a comment, okay? I will not make a comment on the price. Okay, I hope you can read in between the lines, and I know you do because you are so smart. I know you are so smart, and even if I don't tell you the price difference, you already know. Okay, but we are here to check this newly opened store. But did you know that majority of consumers are actually paying for what? Convenience. Okay, convenience is priceless. Take a look, diba, pagka nasa airport ka, meron na mga available na ano yon, yung water fountain. But you will be surprised that majority of people, they buy the bottled water instead. Well, when in fact, maraming mga studies that shows that yung mga tap water sometimes are even cleaner than the bottled ones, right? So we actually, majority of us are actually paying for convenience, diba? It's all up to us kasi how we value our time and convenience. But this time today, I am planning to buy. I came here to buy whole chicken because they are really good priced. As per my, ano ba yun? Ayon sa aking bubwit na nauna sa akin, ang aking beautiful younger sister, my best, hindi ko nasasabihin ng pangalan, baka may check nyo sa Facebook. Just kidding. Aha. Pinakita niya at nalaman ko, at saka ang aking friend na si Maring, ay hindi ko rin sasabihin ng pangalan, si Maring Kikay na lang. Hindi naman alam ko anong complete name niya, no? Tawagan natin siya, tago natin siya sa pangalang Maring Kikay at saka si Bess. And they told me na merong magandang presyo, well priced na chicken daw dito. Yan, so bibili tayo niyan. I think it is well priced. For 2, yan ang presyo. Si babae, binilik niya yan kasi namahalan siya. Now we're gonna grab ours, okay? We're gonna grab our chicken, 2 pieces. Oh wow, it's not bad at all. $15.91. Noong unang panahon, ano yan? Ay, alam nyo, ito ang laki niyan. Yung isa hindi masyado, pero it is actually good price. For $15.91, I'll take some. So, yan na muna tayo. Yan o, proudly local, proudly Western Canadian. Welcome to the newly opened co-op in Orchards. Welcome! Yan na. And our friendly staff here, they are here to help us. Right there. Alright. Let's go mga momshies. Check it out. Bye!